Hey everybody, and welcome back. Today we're going to be making something very exciting, and I've been looking forward to and dreading as well. So today we're going to attempt to make Wraith's heirloom from Apex, which is basically a giant kunai. And I've already attempted to make it and failed once, so here goes the second time. Confident that we'll get it this time. So now I'm going to take the welder, which I've put on the max amount of amps, and I'm essentially going to cut the steel using the welding rod. Please be aware that this could be dangerous. So now I've cut the basic shape of it, and now we're going to start working on the finer details of it and actually getting it to look like the kunai. While I'm cleaning this up, I'll explain that I decided to make this for NoahJ456 because he has been someone that I've always watched and I've always enjoyed, and I think he's an awesome content creator, and I've always loved his stuff, and I've always watched his stuff for a long time, and inspired me to create my own content because it's what I really enjoy, and I want to be able to do what I really enjoy. So I decided to make this to give back to him, to show my appreciation for him, and to show how awesome he really is, and I really do hope he enjoys it. Now with this cleaned up and all the edges smoothed and everything shiny and polished, roughly, I can start to work on some of the other stuff like the diamond holes and smoothing out more of the edges with a finer grit sandpaper. And this is the point where I decided to drill holes into the blade so I could get it ready to punch through with a square punch. And this is the point when I realized that this steel was extremely hard, so this took quite a long time. And as a result of that, I decided that I needed to heat up the blade and cool it down so that it would lose all of its hardness and temper to it, and that I could actually drill through it. So I just heated up the blade and I let it cool down on the anvil. And after doing that, I finally got through it and managed to drill a hole. Now this comes down to the best part of it all, which is actually punching the diamond holes in the blade. which I had to make a custom punch for that I did not have in order to make the correct shape. Alright, so now we're going to take the blade, we're going to quench it in oil while it's hot to give it back its temper and its hardness to ensure that it is extremely durable and very, very sharp. And after the quench, we always make sure that the blade is hard by using a file, so that the file does not dig into the metal, which if it did, it would not be hard, but in this case, it skates right off, so it is very hard. And here it is, the final product. I went ahead and made a case for it with a sliding glass top, so you can easily access it, and it fits it perfectly, and I love every bit of it. And I hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope you enjoyed watching me make it. It was a blast, extremely difficult to do. Those diamond holes were absolutely painful, but in the end, it actually turned out really good, and I thoroughly enjoyed making it. And I'm super happy with the case, with the knife, with all the little bits of detail I put into it. And I hope you guys enjoyed. This will be sent to Noah J himself, probably within the next week or so. And hey, maybe he'll put it on a video or something. I don't know, but either way, I hope he loves it. Hope he enjoys it. And I'm so happy that I got to be able to make this sweet blade for him. If you did enjoy, I would really appreciate you subscribing, commenting, and leave a like. I'll see you in the next one.